In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix slow internet download speeds here on your PlayStation 5. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would just help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. But from your home menu, go ahead and navigate to the settings up in the top right. From here, go ahead and select network settings and then go into your connection status, which is that first page, and select test internet connection. Go ahead and start this test and then keep a note of your download and upload speeds at the bottom, because you're going to want to compare them with what your internet provider actually offers. If the speeds are a lot lower than you think, go ahead and navigate back to the network settings, and this time go into the settings section here and hit set up internet connection. Now, a wired connection is always going to be the best for stability and speed, but if you're using Wi-Fi, go ahead and move your PlayStation 5 closer to the router for better performance. But if you do want to go ahead and adjust your Wi-Fi frequency, go ahead and highlight your Wi-Fi network and press the options button and find the Wi-Fi frequency band options down at the bottom. If your PS5 is close to the router, simply select 5 GHz only. If it's further away though, go ahead and select 2.4 GHz only. And if you are on a PS5 Pro with a new router, try 6 GHz only. If you're unsure, simply leave it on automatic. Other fixes do include forgetting and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. You could power cycle your router and PS5, unplugging them both for about 30 to 60 seconds and then plugging them back in. And then after restarting, just test your network connection again to see if your speeds did improve. But that's it. These steps should help you boost your download speeds here on a PS5. If this video guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.